Hello students, once again welcome back on Alpa Active Learning. Today's topic is report writing, a writing skill. Again, each report writing question is of 5 marks. So before we proceed, don't forget to like my video and of course at the end do comment also. What is a report writing? A report is a written account of something that one has observed, heard, done or investigated. That means a report is a past activity. जो भी कोई बात हो चुकी है, चाहे कोई घटना हो, चाहे वो आंखें देखी हो, चाहे आपने कुछ सुना हो, आपने कुछ किया हो या आपने कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेट किया हो, when ये सारी बातों को जब आप लिख के किसी के सामने देते हैं, we call it as a report writing. So, it is a very systematic, well organized presentation of facts and findings of the event that has taken place in past. बच्चों, two words are very important. एक, event in the past. जो बात बीत चुकी है हम इसके बारे में बताते हैं. And presentation of the fact मतलब जो सत्य है, जो हुआ है, जो फैक्ट है वही लिखेंगे. सो हियर देयर विल बी नो इमेजिनेशन, नो पर्सनल व्यू. जो हुआ है वही सच का सच, जैसे का जैसे, वही नंबर और वही फैक्ट के साथ हमें प्रेजेंट करना है. नाउ यू आर यूजिंग दिस रिपोर्ट राइटिंग in your school, for your school magazine, at your notice board, and definitely you know in the newspaper how the reports are written. So all the newspaper they are covering the past event. Yes, one thing also remember, nowadays when you are observing a TV you can see the live reporting. So live reporting is different than the reports which you are giving in writing either in the magazine or in the newspaper. So let's see what is the format of report writing. A report should have headline or heading. Preferably write in the center and underline it. Followed by the place and the reporter's name if it is given in the question. Otherwise, write ABC or XYZ. Followed by the date of reporting. Now after this, very important is to write the body. Here we write this in the 3 paragraph. The first paragraph having introduction, second content, and third is conclusion. Now headline, place, date, it is already given in the question. So very important is what is to be written in introduction. For these children you should think about 4 questions. What is about, when the event is done, where it was, and why, the purpose. So when you are reporting, the introduction should have हम किसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं, कब हुआ था, कहाँ हुआ था और ये क्यों हुआ था. Okay, so just frame the sentences on these 4 points. Now the second paragraph includes content. The content means the detail about an event. So पूछिए अपने आप को कि कैसे इवेंट हुई थी, क्या क्या हुआ था उसके बारे में. So this detail you should write in past tense as I said. And you should end this by conclusion. Conclusion में the summary. Summary should be in 1 or 2 lines, but it should have positive note, positive points. Okay. Now this is a format, but in this format let's try to remember certain tips how to make this report more accurate. So for that, children, remember, as we are reporting the thing or about an event that had happened, so you must use only past tense. Remember, only use of past tense. Second, write in 150 to 200 words, so don't make it very lengthy. Next, very important, don't use first and second person pronoun. So I, we and you. These three pronouns should not be used in your report, and rather use third person pronoun only. So make use of he, she, it, they or the person's name. Okay, so very important when you are writing. The next point is use formal language. Make use of indirect speech and a passive voice while framing the sentences. It should have appropriate conclusion. This is very important. When you are reporting something, at the end you must send a message. You should have a conclusion related to the event which you are reporting. And it should be relevant and sequential. Now, what do you mean by relevant and sequential? Suppose if you are writing about uh, annual day celebration or a sports day celebration or teachers day celebration or independence day celebrations, then what was the beginning, then what had happened, then what had happened, and at the end how it is ended. Like the inauguration, about the chief guest, about the event and the prize distribution, or about somebody's speech, or about vote of thanks. So why it is important? Because when you are writing a report, the person should visualize this event in front of their eyes. It should be sequence. Then only it is effective. And don't make lengthy, don't write too much, don't use too long sentences. So if you take care of this thing, children, report writing is very easy. Now, let's see. As a member of the NSS group of your school, write a report for your school magazine on recently organized blood donation camp. You are Kritika. Now see, in this the question, the reporter's name is given. Okay. What else is given? You are the NSS group of your school, a member of the NSS group of your school. So here one designation is also given. So first thing, we write the title or the headline or the heading, that is about blood donation camp. Just write blood donation camp. Then writer's name, it is mentioned Kritika, so write down. Her designation is given. If it is not given, you don't need to write. The place and the date, yes, the school name and the date, you write. Now in the body part, you can see about the introduction. A blood donation camp was organized on. So this is what and where. The activities of the camp were carried out by the NSS wing of the school and the Blood of India Blood Bank. So this is your introduction. Now after that, the content. The chief guest for this occasion was the noted senior doctor of Apollo Hospital, Mr. Bhatt. He inaugurated the event by donating blood himself. For a week before the camp, special efforts were put in to create awareness. This encouraged people to donate blood without any apprehension. Consequently, the number of blood donors surpassed the estimated number. Blood of India appointed 10 doctors for the event. They worked throughout the day to collect blood. The donors were given juice and fruits after the donation. So this is all about how you have carried out this blood donation camp, right? So this is your content. Now, the ending, that is the conclusion. The chief guest presented the NSS volunteers with appreciation certificates. So you can see the positive note. He congratulated everyone for organizing this noble event. So the summary is done in a very positive way. Now children, look at this underlined word. Was organized, were carried, inaugurated, were put, encouraged, appointed, worked, were given, congratulated, presented. These are all in past tense. Okay, I hope this has really enlightened you. Now, the second, write a report on the Teachers' Day celebration in your school. So, as you can see the title, Teachers' Day celebration. Your school, if it's in the Mumbai, write Mumbai and the date. Now, children, if it is a Teachers' Day, you know it's always on the 5th September. So, you should be very careful while writing the date. The date should be only after 5th September. Same way for Independence Day, after 15th August, write any date. For Republic Day, the date after 26th January. Okay, so here you should be very alert when the particular dates are given. Okay, now by reporter, yes, no reporter is mentioned in the question, so you write ABC. So now the first introduction about what, when, why and the So, Adarsh Vidya Mandir students celebrated Teachers' Day with great enthusiasm. The principal of the school, Mrs. Pathak, garlanded the portrait of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Even this sentence can be written in the content also, children. Now, about the detailing. The students of Standard 8 cast light on the life of this great leader and also told the importance of the day. Students of class 7th and 8th arranged an entertainment program for the teachers. As a token of love, beautiful greeting cards and flower bouquet were given to teachers. Few teachers were felicitated by the Best Teachers Award by school authorities. Some teachers shared their views about their expectations, the responsibilities and experiences of teaching and motivated students. The teachers were overwhelmed with gestures of students. The day concluded with the distribution of sweets to the students. So again, the last two lines you can see the very positive note of this report. And have a look at the underlined words: celebrated, garlanded, arranged, told, were given, were felicitated, motivated, overwhelmed, concluded. Yes, they all are in the past tense. So children, report writing is very easy. But before write, just frame all this thing in your mind. Just give 5 minutes for thinking of all these things and then you write down. So children, thank you very much. But remember, keep practicing. And most important, please remember the tips and use it properly. All the best. Thank you so much.